Hi, this is Jonathan Johnson, and today we're going to be configuring DHCP on a multifunction device. So our objectives are to connect 3 PCs to a Linksys WRT300N, which is a multifunction device, change the DHCP setting to a specific network range, configure the clients to obtain an IP address via DHCP. Our background is, a home user wants to use a Linksys WRT300N device to connect 3 PCs. All 3 PCs should obtain an IP address automatically from the Linksys device. Alright, so step 1 is going to be to set up a network topology. We're going to add 3 PCs to a work area. We're going to go to In Devices, PC 1, okay, add another one, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, we got those. We're going to add a Linksys there we go. We're going to add the Linksys WRT300 in. Alright, we got all of our stuff on there. We're going to connect each PC to an Ethernet port on a Linksys device using a straight through cable. So we're going to go to the connections, copper straight through. We're going to connect PC, fast Ethernet to there. Or we're going to go use the Ethernet, so we're going to go Ethernet 1. We're going to get another straight through, PC 1, fast Ethernet to there, Ethernet 2. Get another straight through, fast Ethernet to there, Ethernet 3. Okay, so now all 3 PCs are connected to the router. Okay, we got that. Now second step, we're gonna observe the default DHCP settings. So we're gonna click the Linksys WRT300 router to open a configuration window. Okay, now we got the configuration window. It shows the router right there in the picture, right here. So now we're gonna click the config tab. Up here, we're gonna click config for configuration. Okay. We're going to change the display name to DHCP enabled router. So we're going to take all this out of here. I'm going to go DHCP enabled router. Okay. And we're going to select the GUI tab. Note, see, a pop-up window will appear when changing the display name. Alright. Okay. GUI. Now we're going to go to GUI. And we're going to click. So we're going to scroll down to the basic setup page. Okay. Okay, we're going to scroll through the basic setup page to view default settings, including the default IP address, Linksys device. So then we're going to go to step 3. Now we're going to change the default IP address of the Linksys device. See, within the router IP section, we're going to change the IP address of the Linksys device. Okay, instead of going, it's going to be we're going to go 192.168.5.1. Okay, we got that. Okay, then we're going to save settings. Okay, click it twice just to be sure. Okay, now it's saved. So we're going to scroll back up to the router section to ensure the change is made. Okay, change has been made. Okay. Now step 4. Now we're going to change the default DHCP range of addresses. So we're going to change the starting IP address. So start IP address right here. It's not going to be 100. It's going to be 192 168.5.25. So we're going to go 25.25 for the starting IP address. Okay. Then we're going to change the maximum number of users to 75. So we're going to go from 50 to 75. Okay. Now we're going to go back down to the bottom. Save settings. Go scroll up. Make sure. Okay. And save it again just to be sure. Okay. Just to be sure. Okay. We got that. Now step 5. We're going to configure DHCP to the client workstations. So we're going to enable DHCP on PC 0. Okay, so see here. Automatic DHCP. We're going to go to PC 0. Config. Okay, it's on static. We're going to click enable DHCP. Okay. Go to fast Ethernet. DHCP is already enabled. Turns it on. Okay. So now we're going to close this configuration window. Now we're going to go observe IP configuration of client that does not have DHCP enabled. We're going to click PC 1. Okay. We're at PC 1. Click we're going to go to desktop. Command prompt. Okay. We're going to type IP config. And we're going to go enter. Now they don't have no IP address, don't have no subnet mask, don't have no default gateway. Don't have nothing. Everything's all zeros. So, because it has not obtained anything yet, we haven't done anything yet. So, we're going to enable DHCP on PC 1 and PC 2 using config tab. Okay. Now we're going to go enable DHCP. Okay, that one's on there. That was PC 1. Now we're going to go to PC 2. We're going to go to configuration. Enable DHCP, go to fast Ethernet. Yep, DHCP is enabled. Now we're done there. Okay. Now we're going to verify connectivity. We're going to click on PC 1. Alright. Clicked on PC 1. We're going to go to desktop. Go to desktop. Command prompt. Okay. Go to command prompt. Now we're going to type IP config. We're going to go IP config to view the IP configuration of PC 1. There you go. Now it has an IP address, a subnet mask, and also has a default gateway. So now we're going to type in ping. We're going to go ping space. Now make sure you got your space. 192.168.5.1. We're going to ping the Linksys device. Enter. Pinging. We got a reply. Okay, we got all 4 replies. Okay. Now we're going to go ping space 192.168.5.26 to ping PC 0. We should reply. See, okay. We got a reply. We got a reply from both devices that time. Okay, now we're going to close this configuration window, and that's all I have for you. Now we're going to go check our assessment to make sure we did everything right. Check results. Okay, it's incomplete. Now we're going to go assessment items tab to view configurations that were not completely. The IP address right here for PC 0 is incorrect. So let's go change the IP address for PC 0 real fast. Okay. Let's go to PC 0. Fast Ethernet. IP address should be. Okay, we didn't have an IP address on PC 0 for some reason, so 192.168. 5.26. Okay. Now let's see if it. I think I might have missed something. Now congratulations, the activity is complete. We had forgot to put the IP address in on PC0. It had not went in, so we had to go back and redo that part. All right, that's all I have for you today. Thank you.